At the edge of our world lies a land of silence, vast, frozen, and untouched by time. Millions of years ago, this icy desert was a green world, until the planet shifted, and cold claimed it forever.
Here, nature rules with an iron chill. Temperatures fall below -80, and only the brave endure.
Yet even in this frozen desert, life survives, thrives, resilient, beautiful, and enduring. Beneath the ice lie hidden lakes, untouched for millions of years, where ancient life still breathes. But the ice is melting. The world's frozen heart is beating faster, and the oceans are rising. Across this frontier, nations unite, of loom, protecting Antarctica for science, not conquest. In its silence, we hear Earth's story, fragile, eternal, and worth saving. Here the wind has a voice, fierce, relentless, sculpting mountains of ice. Centuries ago, explorers stepped where no one had, batonching, chasing a horizon of pure unknown. Their courage still echoes beneath the frozen sea. The spirit of endurance never dies. Even today, survival here is a battle between human will and nature's extremes. Deep below, hidden worlds sleep, centauring, untouched, unspoiled, waiting to be known. Under 4 kilometers of ice, Lake Vostok whispers of ancient life, time locked in crystal silence. Antarctica burns beneath its frost gate, Mount Erebus, the flame inside the frozen heart. Here lies the driest desert on Earth, a Martian landscape curved by time and wind. Nature's architecture, frozen cathedrals, sculpted by centuries of breath and melt. At the planet's axis, science stands eternal, the South Pole, where all directions become north. When darkness falls, the sky itself dances, an aurora of emerald fire. With the sun's return comes life, resilient, unbroken, magnificent. Among the coldest winds on Earth, devotion keeps these families alive. Beneath the surface, a hidden ocean thrives, trilvestrund, shimmering with ancient grace.
Each note, each movement, a hymn to endurance in the deep.
But the fortress of ice trembles. The edges of eternity begin to fall.
Here the planet speaks in numbers, and we are learning to listen.
Each line, a memory flit. Storms, seasons, ages frozen in perfect order. On the edge of Ross Island stands humanity's frontier post, McMurdo, gateway to the unknown.
An ice shelf the size of France floats in silence, a sleeping giant guarding the sea.
Where ice melts, rivers of sapphire carve paths of change through the ancient crust. In this remote lab, every discovery tells the story of our planet's past and its fragile future. At the world's loneliest station, humans face months of darkness, learning patience from the void.
Across thousands of frozen kilometers, faint voices connect, unity in isolation.
Under kilometers of ice lie unseen mountains, taller than the Alps, older than memory.
Even blood seems to flow from stone per Joan, proof that life finds its way.
Ocean and ice meet in harmony, Hilde, giants of the deep, honoring the frozen throne. Here, borders vanish, Nelig. The Antarctic Treaty unites us in purpose, not power.
Across distant classrooms, Young eyes watch and dream. Kawe, the guardians of tomorrow.
The ice tells us both warning and hope. Ere, the story is still being written.
Silence here is not emptiness, Holney. It is the music of existence itself. Antarctica mirrors the soul of our planet. Pure, powerful, vulnerable. In its glow, humanity sees itself to first. Small, yet capable of protecting greatness.
Antarctica Drome, the silent continent, the keeper of our past and the promise of our future.